Hello and welcome. We are going to be solving another question on circuit analysis. The question says we should find the equivalent resistance between terminal A and terminal B. Alright, so if you look at this circuit very well, these are two terminals. So any current that enter into this branch will be the same throughout between the resistor. Any current that enters here too will be the same. So it means 60 ohms is in series with 140 ohms. 5 ohms is also in series with 5 ohms. So let's call the total combination of these to be RT1. So RT1 will be equals to 5 plus 5, which is going to give us 10 ohms. And RT2 will be equals to 60 plus 140, which will give us 200 ohms. Alright, so now you can therefore replace the combination of this with, alright, so we are going to replace these two with 10 ohms. So let's just replace this with 10 ohms. And then we are going to replace this with 200 ohms. Alright. Alright. You have to ensure your work is very neat. Alright. So and therefore replace this with 200 ohms. Sorry, this with 10 ohms. So this is going to be 10 ohms. So this is going to be 200 ohms. Alright. So you now notice that 10 ohms is in parallel with 200 ohms and with this 200 ohms. So we are going to have this to be 10 ohms to be parallel. 10 ohms is parallel to 200 ohms and it's also parallel to 200 ohms. Alright, so the total the equivalent resistance between terminal A and B as R equivalent 1 over R equivalence will be equals to 1 over 10 plus 1 over 200 plus 1 over 200. Alright, so this will be equals to the LCM of 10, 200 and 200 is nothing but what? It's nothing but 200. So we're going to have 200 here. So 10 in 200 is 20. 20 times 1 is 20. Plus 200 in 200 is 1. And 1 times 1 is 1. Plus 1 again. So if you do this, this will be equals to 22 all over what? 200. Alright, so this is 1 over R equivalent. So if we take the inverse of both sides, R equivalent will be equals to 200 over 22. So if you divide 22 by 200, you are going to have 9.09. So it means that our R equivalent will be equals to 9.09 ohms. Alright, so here is the solution to the above question. Don't forget, we have all our materials well structured, written for your personal consumption. For you to get this material sent into your inbox, just go to our description and you are going to have access to our WhatsApp, and you're also going to have access to our email. You can message us on any of this and order for any materials of your choice. And peradventure, today is your first time of coming across our content, do well to give this video a thumbs up, smash on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video like this, you will be the first to receive the notification. And do well to like, comment and share this video with your friends who might be in need of it, and above all, subscribe. Thank you. Stay tuned.